The Ram Power Plays of the Week, brought to you by the all-new 2019 Ram 1500.
First play from scrimmage last year was a 45-yard pass, and here's a shot to Dortch. One-handed catch. He hauls it in.
This kid is special. Double coverage right here. He reaches out there with one hand and makes a fantastic catch.
They're going to give it to Wilkins. How about that? That is tough to stop. Christian Wilkins lines up in the eye, and he comes downhill.
The fringe was Dexter Lawrence. He was the fullback that was right in front of Christian Wilkins. Wow, that is awesome, man. Big guy's dream right there.
Here's Pickett. He's completed 3 passes in the drive. He'll fire one to the end zone. Frenchie's there. Catch! Touchdown, Pittsburgh!
About Kenny Pickett. It hasn't been the easiest day for the quarterback throwing that rock, but when it comes down to crunch time, he puts it right on the money for his big play man, Maurice French.
And those are the Ram Trucks Power Plays of the Week.